is a BPR really. Here. So stop's pretty wide here. I'm sure some of you guys are thinking that for me, but this is fine with my account balance right now, the ones that I'm trading on. Again, when we get this high, break even. ES is there right now, so would really like to see us not form an SMT. I want to see NAS slice through there. And again, look where we are. We're in the new week opening gap.